Hello and welcome to today's video review, where we will be discussing the 13.3 TopFull LCD LED display screen assembly replacement for MacBook Air A1466. If you're a proud owner of a MacBook Air A1466 from 2013 to 2017, then this is the perfect product for you. First of all, let me assure you that this display screen has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its quality and performance. It has been packaged securely to prevent any damage during transportation, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your product will arrive in perfect condition. It's important to note that this display screen is specifically designed for the A1466 model from 2013 to 2015, with a 12-pin camera interface. Before making a purchase, be sure to double-check the model and color of your laptop to ensure compatibility. When it comes to installation, it's essential to unplug the battery power before operating the screen replacement. This precaution will help prevent any damage during the installation process and ensure that everything goes smoothly. And for those of you who may have concerns about import fees or taxes, please be aware that the selling price does not include any additional charges. So, make sure to consider this when making your purchase. In conclusion, the 13.3 TopFull LCD LED display screen assembly replacement for MacBook Air A1466 is the perfect solution for anyone in need of a high-quality display screen for their MacBook. So, if you're ready to take your MacBook to the next level, be sure to click the link in the description to make your purchase today. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.